Report. I'm Anthony Mason in New York. The Supreme Court has just decided the future of a federal program that protects more than 6,000 people brought to the U.S. illegally as children. The court has ruled in favor of the so-called DACA program. Jan Crawford has read the high court's ruling. Jan, what did the justices say? It was a 5-4 decision with Justice Roberts siding with the liberal wing. What did they say?
Well, you've got several justices who are writing differently and joining parts of the opinion. The Chief Justice, the conservative Chief Justice, has written this opinion, joined in full by several of the liberal justices, to decide that DACA recipients, hundreds of thousands of people who were brought here as children, are entitled to the protections of the law that the Obama administration extended to them. The Trump administration, of course, tried to rescind the DACA program and open up these people to threat of deportation. But the Supreme Court today, in a lengthy ruling with multiple opinions by other justices, decided that the Trump administration basically went about it the wrong way, that they didn't explain their reasoning. So it's not a broad decision, yet it does remove the immediate threat of deportation for these hundreds of thousands of people who came here as children. And it also leaves this issue open now for the Trump administration, too, assuming that it's going to be in office for a while, to go back at it again and try to rescind it again. And it also puts this issue back into the hands of Congress. Of course, the Obama administration implemented DACA because Congress failed to act. They wrote lengthy legal opinions. Then Homeland Security Secretary Janet Napolitano explaining why the president had legal authority, President Obama, to implement the DACA program. And then, as we saw, and as you said, 600,000 or 700,000 people who came here under age 16, who had no criminal records, who had at least graduated from high school or were veterans, were able to take part in this program to get work permits and basically stay in this country without that immediate threat of deportation. When the Trump administration tried to rescind it, you saw multiple states, California, New York, here in the District of Columbia, file lawsuits saying that that rescission was unlawful because they didn't go about it according to the right procedures. That is a decision the Supreme Court has now, led by the conservative Chief Justice, who again has surely a decision that will disappoint many conservatives, has joined with some liberals for this majority, Tony.